Okay. Welcome back to the multi-series. In this video, you're going to learn the Klaviyo series, how to actually design the email. So if you're brand new to this is a multi-series, go ahead and check out those other videos. This is who I work for. This is my boss right here. So what we are going to learn in this video is how to design the emails so that when they actually sign up and they get that discount code that you programmed on the last video, how are they going to get that discount code? That's what this training is about. Let's go ahead and design the email. Subscribe, like, let's go.
Okay, so we go back to the question, how are they going to get the discount code now? Let's go to where it says email templates. Okay, these are the actual emails that have been created so far, right? So we're going to go ahead and create a new template. We're going to create a new email. And again, Klaviyo has tons and tons of emails out there that you could use. We're not trying to get super fancy. All we're trying to do is just create something simple. Okay, something simple such as, here's your code as described or something of the sort. So let's just do something very simple. We could use one of these and let's experiment. Let's see which one of these will work out. So based on all of this, we're gonna go ahead with this one, the birthday email ticket, right? And we'll just go here. Template name is premised. Okay, let's create that template. Here it is. So now we're in the email builder. We're in the email builder. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like put our logo in there, right? Click on that and it says, oh, you kind of need a logo. All right, we'll put our logo, grab this one just for giggles. And we're gonna go right here to say new in clothing. These are kind of like menu items. So menu items, if we look back into our store, we don't have like serious stuff here. This was more like a development or whatever. So let's go over here. Oh, there goes that pop-up again. All right, here we go. Right here. So shop, right? And what is the URL for that? Well, shop, where do I want to take people? Let's say I want to take people to a specific collection to shop. Let's say they want to shop there. Boom, right? I want to take them to that collection. So here's the URL. Wow. Okay. And what's something else that we could take them to? Contact us. Let's see here. Shop men, shop women. I mean, you could do whatever it is that you want. You don't have to like do a whole bunch, but you could do like maybe top 3 collections or whatnot. Or let's just keep it a shop. Let's just keep it simple, right? Shop. Okay. And let's go ahead and press save on that. Now let's mess with this here. Click on this. And let's overwrite this, right? Here is your discount code as promised. And what was that discount code? Discount 10. Okay, so let's click on this one. Okay. Discount 10. Okay. And let's go ahead and save that as promised. Let's erase this. All right, so that's there. Offer expires within 24 hours. Let's click on this one where it says shop now and an organization URL, which is great. But I want them to go to specific collections. So let's say that they go here. I don't want them to go to the home page, guys. No, we don't want them to go to the home page. We want to go to the specific collections page. So I went ahead and did that. Press save. Okay. What about this thing right here, this Klaviyo thing? I think that if you pay for Klaviyo, you could have this taken out. But that's just kind of like showing you there. Okay. All right. All right, so let's go ahead and save and return to templates. Right there, we saved it and we have our nice email. Here is your 10% as promised. So we're almost there, guys. It's just that we've created the discount systematically in Shopify.
Don't forget to subscribe. Press the notification bell and and press the blue white button. Oh, I did it!
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. That's son in the making, right? And I hope you enjoyed this series. On the next video coming up, it's the automation. Okay.
No games.
And
Yeah.
all right, see you next time, guys.